world. We're currently in Swan Lake.
Yes, sir.
Sumter, South Carolina, the actual soil. And I'm here with, introduce yourself.
Some of y'all know me, some of y'all don't. You feel me? I'm the guy, that's the guy behind this guy. Crop the Crop, aka Twan Deshaun. Go check out my Instagram pages, the fitness page, YouTube page, all that. But
his information is in the description.
In the
below.
description.
Now, the reason why I got my fam Twan here today, because we was out here 1 year ago today, where I made my first YouTube video, and I was supposed to make a YouTube video probably 3 months before I actually did it. So when I recorded that video, fam was like, "Nah, you posting this today."
Today,
it was special because it was the Ja Morant release of the first sneaker, so it was like.
I said, y'all, I was like, yo, the video was so heat, bro. and it, bro, it's a guy from the soil, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, nah, this gotta go up today.
ASAP.
Ain't no waiting, like, you know what I'm saying? The release was that day. I was like, nah, we gotta get this today. He got the shoes from the soil, from the guy that's from the soil. You feel me?
You know what I'm saying? So it had to happen. And I think like when we was out here, I stayed out here, we uploaded the video, and then I took some photos of you until the video uploaded. So we had to bring it back to where it started, you know what I'm saying? 1 year of YouTube. So I think I'm officially a YouTuber at this point.
Nah, he ain't even know it's certified, stamped, approved. He's officially a YouTuber. And we'll also tell you there was another video that we recorded that day, and it was about some history. You feel me? Let's just put it that way. It was about some other soil stuff. Let's just put it that way.
Sneaker world, internets. Let's get into this pack, y'all. First purchase on GOAT. This is a pair that I've been wanting for a minute. This came out May 2019. Your boy was actually outside at Blue Tile, but I took that L. This right here was the release, in my opinion, that changed how releases was happening at Blue Tile Skate Shop. Because before this release, everything was first come, first serve. I'm excited to get this. All right, y'all. So there's a lot of speculation on which app is the best. Is it StockX? Is it GOAT? Is it eBay? So I took it upon myself to order from every app and just to see which one goes the fastest as far as shipping, who got authentic pairs, who got the bootlegs. I'm not saying anybody got bootlegs. Nike done did that for y'all. Let's get into it. Check out the label. A little QR code. I guess you scan this and see the process it went through to get authenticated. I'm not sure. We might scan that at the end of the video. Y'all, I waited a minute to have these, bro. If you know me, you know this is one of the ones that I've been talking about for a while. What we're looking at is the Air Jordan 1 Nike SB LA to Chicago. Now what makes this so special is it's a Laker colorway on a Jordan 1. Michael Jordan, you already know, created the Jordan 1, was responsible for the Jordan 1, popularized the Jordan 1. And to see a Laker colorway on it is just extra dope. A black bottom with the Nike SB on the tongue tab. This is something you normally don't see on a Jordan 1. Now, what makes this so special is you can actually wipe down the purple and turn this into an actual Chicago Jordan 1. So, I think on our next video, we're going to have to do that. So far, just looking at it, because I wanted to share this moment with y'all. This is my 1 year anniversary. Everything looks right. We got the lace bags on there. Everything is attached. Tongue look right. Even how the red is underlayered. All under the purple looks correct. Insole looks correct. Inside tag looks correct, y'all. So just on first sight, I'm stamping GOAT. We just got to bask in the glory of these Jordan 1s, y'all. Like, this is something I really, really wanted. This shoe is absolutely beautiful. I got my fam Twan behind the camera, so he's probably gonna be here when we actually transform one pair from Laker to Chicago. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned, man. We are working on these SBs for 2024. I wanted to show y'all why it's called Swan Lake, y'all. So it's not often that you see black swans, y'all. We have a white swan over there to the corner, but we have two beautiful black swans right here. I don't want to disturb their peace. I'm gonna leave them alone. AJKO Lowe's on the feet. Until the next episode, peace and love.